Scan this. Sovi is here. Let's level up. In part A, the derivative r prime of 3.1 is approximated by the average rate of change r of 6.2 minus r of. The expression 1 over 20 times the integral from 0 to 20 of r of h dh represents the average radius of the bottle in centimeters for 0 less than equal to 20. Using a trapezoidal sum with the given subintervals, the integral from 0 to 20 of r of h dh is approximated as 6.2 over 2 times 7 over 2 times 4.3 plus 2.6, which equals 64.07. Great job working through that. Scan the code. You can learn better with Sovi. Watch out for sign errors and always double check each step carefully.